Your results. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. May 5th, market open. Good morning, traders. We are at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. We knew this many days in advance, many hours in advance. If I convert this chart right now to 1, what do you see? Market pulling back. Intelligent trader understands and demands this. Intelligent trader understands only when market giving you powerful pullback, intelligent trader would be interested in this market. This will be much better than this. So how would you sleep at night? How would your trading be if you knew this in advance? And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it 3, is it 5, is it 10, is it 15? It's identical thing. This is predictive precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system. Any chart. So those of you who've been in a trading room for the last months know extremely well. Yesterday was a spectacular institutional reversal. And we knew this days, hours, weeks in advance. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade. This is a software yesterday at institutional levels. This is the ultimate precision. When institutional levels are present and you understand where institutions buy, number one, you never ever ever short near these levels. You're only looking to buy. Endless trades on multiple charts. Massive charts. The trades are not on these charts. For the trading room, I convert to any chart. Endless. But this is market right now. It is no longer at 41.25. Institutional entry point. It's a reversal zone. It's extremely high. Strategic trader knows. If price collapses to here, not a problem. Intelligent trader understands institutions keep buying the markets. Intelligent trader demands a powerful pullback. But it's a very different market. May 2021 versus May 2020. This was day trader's dream. This was easy. This is not. Institutional support remains intact, but this is the weakest last 3 weeks we've seen in the last 14 months. So day trader who strategizes very carefully understands every single short against Goldman, against JP Morgan, against BlackRock traders. Intelligent trader looking to buy the pullback. If the pullback is junk, nothing here to do. And again, this applies to every single chart. So when I wake up this morning and King had done this, he does not need to be here this morning. He traded with institutions. He left the runner on. That's a brilliant, intelligent trader. Trader who trades with institutions and never, ever, ever against them. So every single day you decide, do you want to be Walmart trader or do you want to be Goldman trader? Which one are you? The only option at reversal zone is to short from. You are not buying into brick wall, but every single short against institutions. Never forget that part. More powerful the pullback, more interesting market will become. So this is Alpha Fibonacci system for the last months. We identified this institutional entry point since April 14th. Vicious buying. April 20th, April 21st, April 22nd, April 23rd. And vicious selling from reversal zone. That's the power of the system. That's strategic, intelligent trading. So here we are at key support that we knew again hours in advance. If I convert this chart to 1, buyers already stepping in. Do you remember this level at the open? We knew this well in advance. Right now, intelligent trader separates junk from power. But there is nothing in common between buying here and where market was yesterday. Correct? Yesterday was day trader's dream. Yesterday was institutional entry point. So there is nothing in common between buying here versus buying here. Day trader's dream versus little pullback at Alpha Fibonacci support. So here we go, traders. This is the software in front of you right now. Bold green line means do not short near. Last night I worked with 11-year-old girl who is trading the system. Daughter of my long-term student, Michael. Michael been my student for 8 years. When my student, 8 years after finishing the course, bringing his daughter, that he couldn't wait to grow up, to be old enough to learn, it's an honor. Absolute honor. This is a purity, this is simplicity. What is the most important thing? You know in advance where to buy, where to sell. And when you obey the rules, the skies are the limit. King does not need to be here this morning. He still is. Why? Because King loves trading. Buying with institutions at institutional levels. He's done pretty well for the next 2 weeks. But he's still here this morning. Stunning, phenomenal work. Wow, happy birthday. What a nice gift you gave to yourself. I love it. What a spectacular effort. Brilliant, strategic, intelligent trading. What a magnificent reward and what a stunning gift. Right now, nothing but junk. There is no power. King knows what separates junk from power. King knows that buying here not an option if rules are not met. So many trades at institutional reversal levels that you knew hours, days, weeks, and months ahead. King is not chasing markets. King is not speculating. King is simply obeying the rules. Do not overcomplicate trading. Buy with institutions at institutional entry points, and you will not need to chase little day trading markets. That's a world of difference. There is no institutional entry points this morning. That was yesterday. Stunning. So in case you missed spectacular institutional day yesterday, this is a reminder. My new phenomenal work Absolutely done. 40 minutes after market open. 4 points on S&P, 30 points on Dow. Brilliant, flawless. Rajesh killing it on Nasdaq. Theo on pound futures. Stunning, phenomenal work. 32 ticks. Alpha Fibonacci rocks. Next, more and more to come. King won 9 out of 10 on Forex account. 34% up since joining the course. Stunning, phenomenal, breathtaking work by my incredible traders at Institutional Morning. Denzel trading US dollar and Swiss. Stunning. Rajesh finished up the day with 3 wins, $1,500. There is no institutional morning today. Do you understand that? The intelligent trader who understands the difference between institutional morning versus not will do extremely well. CEO, stunning work in European markets. 8.2 on gold, 102 pips on euro yen. Eric says everything looks yucky on S&P. Of course, it is not institutional morning on S&P, but it's a stunning trading on Forex in European session, as CEO says, from key levels. It's a pure junk. There is no institutional morning today. Intelligent trader knows the difference. So when you make an effort, the skies are the limit. It never, ever, ever gets old to keep receiving emails. Never, ever, ever, ever. I simply love what I do. And when my students making an effort, the skies are the limit. Simply trade with institutions and never ever ever against them. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Yesterday was institutional morning. This morning is not. Baby always need a pair of shoes. So when traders who finished the course years ago keeps updating me, it never gets old. Institutional morning was yesterday. Today at support, market keeps picking up this theme. But yesterday was spectacular. Institutional entry point. Today it's a little junky, day trading nothing. So if you picked up a couple of points, look at your chart and remember, this is the power of the system since early April. We knew this days, weeks, months, hours in advance. It's a world of difference between buying here versus buying here. And that's strategic, intelligent trading on institutional morning versus today with my incredible traders, with those who make an effort. So intelligent trader who took advantage of institutional morning yesterday, as my incredible traders have done, not babysitting this junk, not staring at the screen, knowing incredibly well. It's a world of difference being here at institutional reversals versus little day trading junk. king will be successful forever because he loves the markets. It's never about money. It's always about love of the game. So when you love the markets, with Alpha Fibonacci system, you will be successful. You simply need to make an effort and obey the rules, as traders do globally in more than 50 countries. So remember, babysitting junk should never ever ever be an option. Brilliant intelligent mind values time. Brilliant intelligent mind never focuses on pennies. How you spend your time is the most important part of quality life. And that's how intelligent traders trade, with institutions, and never ever ever against them. As CEO says, in the middle of the night in Australia, those institutional levels are so potent that clearly present the most objective roadmap. And also when not to enter a position, never second guessing and bringing in one's own subjectivity. What a brilliant, intelligent statement. And that's the power of the system. Market waiting for oil news. I'm finishing up this video. As we explained well before market open, there will be nothing but pure junk until after oil news. So if you decide to join our community of traders in more than 50 countries, in Bolivia, in Colombia, in South Africa, in Monte Carlo, in Sydney, Australia, in London, in Palm Beach, in New York, in New Jersey, in any state you can possibly think of, Texas, Colorado, I work with all of those traders, including traders in Saudi Arabia. Every single trader different background. Every single trader different instrument. Every single trader decides what instrument, what time frame trader wants to trade. Because system based on pure price. If instrument has pure price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. So please listen to podcasts. Please view student stories. Those who make an effort, the skies are the limit. Can trading cryptocurrency. Carlton, I speak with him almost every night. He loves, loves, loves what he trades. Futures, stocks, Forex, everything. Emmanuel brought his wife and best friend to the course. Brad, years later, staying in touch. Richard double, tripled his retirement account. David trading it all. Choose from package appropriate for you. Live classes, I love what I do. Video library included, modules, live trading room. This is lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. Includes 3 months group classes. After graduation you can continue with graduate course. Private mentoring, I have only one spot left. I take only 10 students per year for private mentoring. Private mentoring for months. I quiz you, I test you, I give you homework, I keep you accountable. I teach you exact same strategy I taught to JP Morgan trader. So please review, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com, because you will remember forever. Junkie morning versus institutional morning. That's where your success starts from. It is institutional Alpha Fibonacci system. Denzel Trading Forex. This is our incredible global community of traders. Every trader trades different instrument. Any questions? do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's take a break before oil news.